Fourth letter sent to the king of Rome, the envoy to Caesar. Blessed are those who follow true guidance. I invite you to embrace Islam so that you may live in security. If you come within the fold of Islam, Allah will give you double reward. But in case you turn back upon it, then the burden of the sins of all your people shall fall on your shoulders. Fifth letter sent to the governor of Bahrain. In reply, Al-Mundhir bin Sawa wrote the following letter. Allah's Messenger, I read your letter which you wrote to the people of Bahrain, extending to them an invitation to Islam. Islam appealed to some of them and they entered the fold of Islam while others did not find it appealing. In my country there live Magians and Jews, and therefore you may inform me of the treatment to be extended to them. The Prophet, peace be upon him, wrote the following letter in reply to his. Peace be on you. I praise Allah with no associate, and I bear witness that Muhammad is his servant and messenger. Thereafter I remind you of Allah, the mighty and the glorious. Whoever accepts admonition does it for own good. Whoever follow my messengers and acts in accordance with their guidance, he in fact accepts my advice. Sixth letter sent to the governor of Yamama. Peace be upon him who follows true guidance. Be informed that my religion shall prevail everywhere. You should accept Islam, and whatever is under your command shall remain yours. Seventh letter sent to the king of Damascus. Peace be upon him who follows true guidance, believe in it and trust it. I invite you to believe in Allah alone with no associate, then your kingdom will remain yours. Eighth letter sent to the king of Oman. Peace be upon him who follows true guidance. Thereafter I invite both of you to the call of Islam. Embrace Islam. Allah has sent me as a prophet to all his creatures in order that I may instill fear of Allah in the hearts of his disobedient creatures, so that there may be left no excuse for those who deny Allah. If you accept Islam, you will remain in command of your country. But if you refuse my call, you must remember that all your possessions are perishable. My cavalry would take possession of your land, and my prophethood will assume superiority even your kingship. The conquest of Khaybar in Muharram 7 AH. The Prophet, peace be upon him, invited only those who were willing to fight in the cause of Allah to accompany him in his march against Khaybar. 1,400 men only who had shown allegiance in response to his call. It was a spacious, strongly fortified territory studded with castles and farms, lying at a distance of 60 to 80 miles north of Medina, now a village known for its unhealthy climate. When the night entered, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, Tomorrow I will give the banner to a man who loves Allah and his messenger, and Allah and his messenger love him. Peace be upon him called for Ali bin Abi Talib, who had a problem with his eyes, so he supplicated for him and the problem left. He then handed the banner to him.